Hi, and welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I share real stories from CNC manufacturing. This one's about a problem that nearly sent us down the wrong path, the phantom diameter shift. We were running a batch of precision ground shafts on a CNC lathe. Nothing complicated, rough, semi-finish, hold plus or minus half a thou on the OD. First article passed inspection with flying colours. Same tools, same program, same material batch, but 3 parts later, inspection flagged the diameter, 2/10 over. Naturally, we checked the wear offsets first. Nothing had moved. The finishing insert looked perfect. Coolant flow was good. No alarms, no chatter, no obvious cause. So we ran the same part again. And this time it hit dead center of tolerance. That's when we started looking at something most people forget, the bar stock concentricity. After checking run out on the incoming material, we found a slight bow in certain bars. Subtle enough not to see by eye, but just enough to alter the cutting pressure on a finished pass. Under load, the material was deflecting differently depending on where it sat in the chuck. We sorted the stock, indicated the bars before loading, and the problem disappeared instantly. Lesson learned. Not every size issue is a machine problem or a tool problem. Sometimes the material itself is the variable. And a few seconds with an indicator can save a lot of head scratching. Now for a couple of quick updates. Black Friday's coming up and MachiningCloud will be rolling out a special deal. So keep your eyes on social media channels so you don't miss it. And big congratulations to our giveaway winner, Mark Hizem from Ohio, who has officially received his brand new smartwatch. Enjoy it, Mark. And lastly, to everyone celebrating, happy Thanksgiving from Chuck's Corner. I hope it's full of great food, good people, and well-deserved time off. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp, and own the process.